Alright, now we're going to talk about converting from hexadecimal, which is base 16, to decimal. This is base 16, base 10. So I think first going from hex to decimal, so if we have a number in hex, say it's something like 4D in hex. We do just like with all our other ones, we set up our numbers. This is 16 to the 0, 16 to the first. So it means we have 4 16s and D1s. Again, I never remember this, so I always do your base 16, your 16 digits are 0 through 9, and then we need to go through and figure out what the other ones are. So 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, 15 is F, so D is 13. So we have 13 ones, which gives us 64 plus 13, which is, what's that, 77? So 4D in hex is equivalent to 77 in decimal. Alright, not too bad. Let's try another one. Ba. In hex, so we have our 1's place, our 16's place, and our 16 squared, which is 256. Go back to the earlier videos for 16 cubed, 16 fourth, if we keep going. So anyways, we have B times 256 plus A times 16 plus A times 1, but again, really B is really just 11, A is 10. So 11 times 256. Let me look because I did it before. It's 2816. And again, first one to point out, any arithmetic mistakes I make will get a little bit of extra credit, so be on the lookout. Make sure you double check. So you end up with this is 2986. So BAA equivalent to 2986 in decimal. Alright, so that's pretty much how to convert. Definitely easy to use, or good to use a calculator, it makes it a lot easier. But now going from decimal to hex, we use this division algorithm with the remainder. I think you saw this with binary. If not, I'll show you in class. But let's just take that same 2986 in decimal. So we set up this little tiered division. It's kind of like normal division, but you're going down. You're dividing by 16. The remainder is going to give us our hex number. So 16 goes into 29 once. Then we're left over 13. 16 goes into 138 8 times with a remainder of 10. 16 goes into 106 6 times, and we get a remainder of 10. Alright, so now the reason we set it up like that is now we divide again. 16 goes into 18 once with a remainder of 2. 16 goes into 26 once with a remainder of 10. Divide by 16 again. 16 goes into 11 0 times with a remainder of 11. And this, going backwards, is our hex number. Remember, 11 is B, 10 is A. So that means 2986 decimal is equivalent to BAA in hex. And that division, just like with binary, there's patterns, it takes practice, but we're going to learn a better way is going to be when we learn it. And I think the next video is going from decimal to binary. we can do fairly easily, and then binary to hex. That's going to be the beauty. So, yep, so the next one we're going to talk about binary to and from hex. Alright.